Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. We try to learn the best way to grow our plants so that we stop killing them. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. Alright, so today I have a little bit of a plant haul. I originally went to Home Depot and Lowe's to get some succulents to add to my fairy succulent garden, and that was a bust. They didn't really have anything. There's really no succulents in my local area. Everything looked kind of dead and crappy, so I didn't get any of those, but I did see a couple of plants that caught my eye and I really wanted, so I bought them. So I'm going to show you. The first one is an Aglaonema. I don't know the name of this plant, but it has like 4 different color greens. It's almost like a camouflage with the different color greens. The back of the leaves are nice and stripy. The stems are green and white stripes. And this is just a beautiful full plant. It is flowering. They have little kind of like peace lily flowers. It hasn't opened yet, but that's what that is. And yeah, I mean, it's good to see that a plant is healthy enough to flower, but they're kind of underwhelming compared to the foliage. So for me, Aglaonemas, I can't keep them alive in soil. They just don't want to live in soil with me. So I will be taking this guy out of the soil and popping him in water with all of my other Aglaonemas, and I'll probably do an updated video of my water plant Aglaonemas when I am ready to pop these guys in to the water with the other Aglaonemas. So yeah, if you struggle with Aglaonemas, I suggest trying them as a water plant, because mine really, they are beautiful. So yeah, I don't know. I always go from like either underwatering these guys, overwatering these guys when they're in soil. They just never look good. They're never happy. So yeah, but I don't know the name of this. I don't know the name of any of my Aglaonemas, but they're so pretty, and there's so many different varieties. I feel like Costa Farms is kind of like, you know, putting out new different Aglaonemas, and I'm here with it. I think they're beautiful and easy when they're water plants, for me anyway. So that's the first one. The second one is another Aglaonema, and I don't know the name of this one either, but it has these really thin leaves. You can see like the venation on it, like they're streaking. They're like long, I hope you can see, longer, like lighter greens of streaks on the darker foliage of the leaf. They have a white stem, and my cats have already started chewing this damn plant, which is very annoying. They don't eat it, right? Because Aglaonemas aren't really like, they're like semi-toxic for pets or whatever. She doesn't eat it. She just chews it and spits it out. It's like, it's very frustrating, I will say, but I think it will bounce back. There's 3 plants in here, so I'm pretty confident that after I take it out of the soil and put her back in water as a water plant, she will do wonderfully. Here you can like really see like the streaks of the different color greens on this one. Very beautiful plant, and I'll show you the back of the leaf as well. Very pretty. Okay, and we have one more Aglaonema, and I don't think I have this one, and I'm not, this is like a very, or I do have it and this is just a very like sun bleached one, but I don't think I do, because looking at the backs of some of these leaves, you see different splotches. Again, it has a white stem, and it's like a gray-green color. Can you see that? You can see the different venations. They're more white, but I just thought this was also cool, and I think this next to this guy and intermingled with this guy, the different color greens, is a very like pretty contrasting display. So got both. This one actually I got at Lowe's. This was $13.98. The other two I got at Home Depot, and they were both $16.98. So, just a little price difference. They're both from Costa Farms. This one, the tag looks like this. It's a I'm fancy and carefree, low light, oxygen for two, Aglaonema. My brightly colored and varied foliage is my best feature. I am durable and easy to grow. I can grow in areas with lower light. So, that's the tag Lowe's plants have. The Home Depot tag just looks the same. Basic information, no little cute blurb. But, you know, it's whatever. It's fine. It's fine. So we have those three Aglaonemas. And then I finally saw this plant in person. And I had to get it. Finally. I actually picked this up at Lowe's. And it was, I think it was $19.98, like 20 bucks. And it is the Scindapsus Trubii Moonlight. I do have one of these already, but I am in love with it, and I feel like you can't always go too wrong. I've never seen these in person, like at a store. I don't know, I guess people come by and snatch them all up. So when I saw one, I was so excited, and I just had to have one. Yeah. It'd be really nice to finally see this guy trail out. This guy's a little bit longer than the one I have already. It looks like he's already starting to trail in some areas, which is very exciting. My other one is still more bushy, so it's good to see. I might try to, I don't know, I like the idea of having one plant staked up and one plant trailing, or half trailing and half staked up, and just to see the differences in the leaves. But that is also kind of like a space, you know, a space thing, like if I have enough space for that, and I don't know if I do. Not at school anyway. So, yeah, just got another one of her. Again, it comes in the ceramic boring white pot, but you can always paint these, and that's, I have nieces who like to paint, and we're just gonna throw some paint on it, and they're gonna look pretty. But that'll be another day. And then I also have little cuttings that I was given of Tradescantia teddy bear, I believe. I have the baby bunny's bellies, and this one, I hope it's focusing. Maybe it's a little better. The baby's bunny's bellies pretty much look the same, except the stem is like a purpley green, and the teddy bear one, they're more they're brown. So this one might actually be a little fuzzier, I feel like. I don't know if you can actually see like the fuzz on the leaves. You kind of can, where maybe the fuzziness isn't as long on the baby bunny bellies. But that plant takes off. It's very easy to propagate, so I am confident that I will be able to propagate these two little strands and have a full plant very soon. So yeah, it's a cute little, this is my little plant haul. Which one is your favorite? Are you more into the Tradescantia, the Aglaonemas, or the Scindapsus? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if your areas are starting to put out different Aglaonemas, and which ones. And have you tried them as a water plant? I'd really like to know, other people's experiences on the care of these plants, and how they get them to be so large and so lush and full, because I am only able to do that when they're in water. But anyway, this is my little plant haul. I hope you liked it. So until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.